Hello everybody, it's the 18th of October today. No, in fact it's the 17th of October today, and this is one of my shrubby honeysuckle, Lonicera nitida, it nearly escaped me, that I've been growing for a number of years. It's a twin trunk style, and it's fairly traditional right branch, left branch, back branch, right branch, left branch, back branch arrangement, and I have a number of these shrubby honeysuckles in training, and although they're different sizes, different dimensions, and different thicknesses of trunk, I find them not boring isn't the right word, nor is uninteresting, but a little bit samey perhaps, and so I thought I would like to do something different with this species. I mean, they make really nice little bonsais in this, kind of almost like a pine tree style. They have a reputation for growing slowly, but once you've actually got a framework, they can get out of control quite quickly. And if I remember, I'll link a video in the description showing you what happens if you let one of these go for a little while, and they just turn into a lollipop almost. But yeah, once you've got the framework, you can create these paths relatively quickly with these little leaves and fine internodes. Yeah, it's quite a useful species. I will pop the drinks can in for scale and give you, the ubiquitous 360. Then one big problem is that they can be very brittle. Once the branches get above sort of a few millimeters, quarter of an inch in thickness, they become quite brittle and will snap. They don't take to wiring kindly. So, but you can get extensions of quite young growth that are still very whippy, and you can wire them then. Just a thought. I've often said I'm not a how-to channel. This is more a how I or what I do, and a record of my trees. So, take it with a pinch of salt. I wanted to see if I could do something different. I don't want it to look like topiary, but I thought, I wonder if I can make something that looks a bit more like a broadleaf tree. A large tree in the middle of a field somewhere, using one of these. I've had some dieback here, and I'll need to perhaps carve some of this away next spring, but I'm not going to do it now with winter approaching. What I do want to do is just a little bit of trimmage, and I've just been trying to get regular breaks so that the tree branches more, and I need to fill in this. I look at it on screen now and I can see this great big gap, so I need this to fill out a little more. I'm just going to cut that down a bit, and where I've got these long straight extensions, I'm just going to try and move them, or remove them rather, shorten them back so I get lots of bends in the material. This is exactly one of those long shoots that I just mentioned, where you can wire while it's still relatively flexible. It's about 1 millimeter thick. But I actually think I'm not going to use that. I'm going to take that off. Otherwise it might have been a useful thing to sort of bend up and fill this section, but it's just too low, I think. So yeah, just a short video, but I just wanted to show you something and to have a record of, really, for the future of where I am in this project, of just trying to do something a little different. there's nothing else left to say really, except thank you so much for watching. Do all the usual YouTube things. Like, subscribe, comment below, but most of all, please be safe everybody.